啥声音？吓死我！这是什么音乐
？Music.
Oh, need some coffee to wake up. Hello, hello. What scary music to wake up in the morning. Oh, so loud. We are staying in South France in this big house. I'm making a big dinner tonight. 2 of the family friends are coming, so I'm making dinner for 9 people. French countryside. I am still cook Chinese food. So I went to the Asian market. They actually had a lot of stuff. I'm surprised. A tiny store in Nice. I was able to get all the cooking ingredients here. I brought some dry ingredients, but I got soy sauce, cooking wine. Watch my Asian market shopping, you know what to buy. Even you're in France or somewhere else in the world, you can still get Chinese ingredients to cook Chinese food. Hello, hello. Now after lunch, I'm gonna get ready for the cooking. So prepare all the vegetables, meat. So chopping, washing, everything ready before I cook. Once you chop, wash everything, cooking is like 2 seconds. And my husband is going to help me chopping and washing stuff. France, in the farmer's market, I was able to find fresh peas. Well, I don't mind peel them. You know, you buy the frozen peas, they taste totally different. Kids are back. 去洗着呢 Got help back. 比切好快 Become a pro chopping. Okay, can you boil the beans? Put some cooking oil and salt in the water. So keep the beans green. So on high, cook about 5 minutes. Then put it in the ice water. Oh, here I'm making the sauce for the string beans. Soy sauce, add a lot of vinegar. Here, you know me, measure with my Chinese eyeballs. And you can go to my website, link down below to check out the recipe. Of course, after you add all these ingredients, you need CookingBomb chili sauce. So now temporarily out of stock, they are coming. So subscribe to my newsletter on my website. You'll be first to know when that be back in stock. So now the beans here, they are ready to be soaking in this delicious sauce. Wow. Last step, get some cooking oil. Then put a few dried chili peppers and a few more shrimp peppercorn. I just love numbing. Hopefully this stuff is dangerous. Pour over your beans and the garlic to get them wake up their aroma. 闻一下，闻一下，好香哦！我跟你说，perfect， 好不好吃？辣不辣？我没有做太辣，因为太辣的话他们不能吃了。Keep eating， 一会儿吃饭都没有了。好了，好了，留着吃饭的时候再吃。Save for dinner. First taste.
First taste.
We will serve on a nicer plate.
So good.
Good? Oh, thank you.
Keep eating.
Oscars keep eating. I said, don't eat. We need for dinner.
Okay.
Yes, right?
Very good.
So usually I make the peas with ground pork, but we didn't get ground pork. Guess what I'm making with your ham? So is it Spanish ham or is it Italian?
Was it a short piece or long piece?
Long peas.
Then it was a prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Oh, ready. Heat the wok. Let's stir fry. Hot wok, cold oil. This is their wok. Not bad. Got scratches on there. Ginger slice. Stir fry. Get the fragrance out of ginger. Then we fry the ham. Smoke. Quick. Just cook really quickly. Tomato. The juice out of tomato. Then next we are going to add some cooking wine. We got cook out the juice, tomato juice out of here. Then put the peas in. Quickly stir fry. This wok kind of heavy. See if you can flip. Oh, yeah. Oh, exercise. Flip like a Chinese mom. So this beef dish you're making is the thin-sliced beef in roasted pepper broth. There are 2 things you have to do to make your beef tender. First, against the grain. So when you chew it, it's not chewy. The second one, we're going to let the beef drink water. More water, juicier. I'm gonna take my time, thin slice them. You know, in Asian market, and you can get these already thin sliced beef. But if not, you can slice your own. The next secret is add water into the beef and sugar. It's not a lot of sugar. This is let the beef absorb more water. So sugar has this special structure that the protein of beef holds more water. So naturally, this method tenderizes the beef. You hear the sound? Keep giving massage. Let the beef drink more water. When you do it 100 times, you got your exercise done, and the beef is tender. About 50 grams of water for about 1 pound of beef. I have a lot of beef, so I'm just keep adding water. After beef, drink water. Add some dark soy sauce to get the color. And now you can put it in the fridge. Let it marinate. Here you can see my husband comes in the back. I didn't know. He just patiently wait there to talk to me. Well, I keep cooking, so next I roast the pepper first. Get it into tiger skin. Next, I chop the pepper really small. Put it in the bowl. Add garlic. Also some soy sauce, oyster sauce. Mix it up. Pour in hot oil. Get the fragrance out. You can just smell the fragrance all over the kitchen, even from the living room. Finally, making the beef, the broth. Hot water, add cold oil. Here we need more garlic and ginger. Get the fragrance out. So we add this pepper sauce, roasted. There are garlic, ginger in here too. All of the sauce. Smells so good. When you got the fragrance out of the sauce, add water. This is your soup base for the beef. Yeah, we have a bean sprouts laying on the bottom of the bowl. We pour this over. If you taste it, need some more soy sauce and oyster sauce. So now you can turn off the heat and put the beef in. Cook in here really quickly. These are very thin sliced. Once they turn color, they are cooked. Don't cook too long. That'll be too tough. So now the beef is done. I need some help to serve the beef in this bowl. Gonna pour this all over. Oh, I can't. It's too heavy. Don't pour it. Yeah. So. Now beef's in. Add the pepper sauce, the rest of the pepper sauce on top. Then dried Sichuan peppercorn. These. We still need the last step. I have some leftover green onions to add on top too. Sprinkle green onions. Now I marinate the chicken. The chicken can marinate the day before or at least 20 minutes. I marinate the chicken with a light and dark soy sauce. You don't have to write down anything. I have the recipe on my website. Check it out. Here last, some cooking oil to lock in the flavor. Make it tender. Here, start cooking the chicken. Heat some whole garlic. Those are so fragrant. Then we stir fry the chicken until it's opaque. The key of a stir fry is keep your wok hot. Then we stir fry in a high heat for a very short time. If you're not sure if the chicken's cooked, since these are a little small, you can just taste one. Add some green onions. Now you're done. Next, I'm making this dipping sauce for fish. My husband's outside grilling the fish, so this dipping sauce is great for any seafood, fish, crab, or shrimp. Yeah, let's eat. Now we are ready to eat, finally. I'm the cameraman.
She can't do that. She's doing the camera work.
Yeah. Let me see you cutting the fish. That's the piece we got at the market that day. With you. Yeah.
And the ham.
And here ham in the piece and tomato. Wow, you got a lot of beans. Only beans? No meat? Now we're gonna everybody sit here eating. We just don't have a big round table in China. We're gonna all sit on the table, right?
Right.
Yeah.
That's when we have the Chinese banquet, right?
Banquet table.
Yeah.
And we have to make a rice without rice cooker today. Chicken's not spicy. And just the beans, maybe.
My plate is too crowded.
It's my turn. I'm gonna get food too. Of course, we need to get rice. They just don't have rice balls here. I brought my own chopsticks too. So there are bean sprouts under here. Using vegetable.
Calling wood.
Did you see?
But the piece is much better than the frozen one.好不好吃，宝宝？你把那个四季豆都吃完了。Oh, all the string beans. 是不辣吗？不辣的。Do you have a favorite dish? Beef. Oh. Oh, you love the sauce for fish.
And it was delicious. The sauce was fabulous on the rice.
Ah, thank you. On the rice, yes.
The rice, yes.
Yes. Eat
Yes,
on
the
the rice.
sauce was fabulous on the rice. I love it.
Yeah.
I
You
loved
guys,
everything.
The
The
peas
string
was,
beans were
peas
fabulous.
was sensational.
peas.
A lot of
Peas,
dessert.
I loved the peas.
Yes, we have a lot of
You're
dessert.
Chinese. You really know how to cook.
Chinese.
You really know how to cook.
That's their strong point.
Because we are in this house because they had a wok.
The house had a
Yes,
wok?
that's
Oh yeah, had a wok. I found a wok here.
They have terrible knives without a wok.
I have to buy a knife though, a little cleaver.
Yeah.
Now I finished my second plate already. Thanks for watching. But we're gonna serve dessert. The dessert, Chinese dessert we're gonna serve is fruit, of course. Melons, strawberries, all the berries. Oh, fruit here is so fresh. So we only have fruit for dessert, but turns out we also have tart. You bought, you didn't make it, right? You made a lunch tart. 这么快就开始打游戏了，没说呢。你觉得今天的饭怎么样？啊？
So good.
是不是小妈妈的菜啊 ？Miss Mommy's food.
Yeah.
We have French food, Indian food, British food.
Chinese food.
So long.
Cynthia food.
Then finally have some Chinese food. So don't forget subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe and you'll get fresh, good food.
Yes. I'll see you next week.